Thanks for staying with us. Now, as South Africa prepares for the next round of local government elections, understanding what councillors are supposed to do might just be the most important deciding factor on who to vote for. While ward councillors are often the public face of local government, proportional representation or PR councillors also play a key role behind the scenes. Newzroom Africa's Sipha Kema spent the day with the Buffalo City Metro PR councillor to better understand what the job involves.
My name is Rumbu, mostly known as Rumbu by the community. I'm a PR councillor in Buffalo City, deployed by the EFF. Mostly PR councillors, they play an oversight role.
For the past 5 years, Siyabonga Rumbu has served as a PR councillor in the Buffalo City Metro. While some residents know him as Sia, his work reaches far beyond a single neighborhood. Rumbu says the difference lies in how councillors are chosen and who they ultimately represent.
So whenever councillor they are voting, and then we're going to do a PR council, which is the lending you can like. What council umsebenzi wakhe ujongana nezikhalimemfundo zabantu communities, and then not as the PR council would do the same, but siqale siyekele what council aqala, then if khona abagxeka khona then singenelele because nathi sinoxanduva olufanayo naye, into nayo yena wakhethwa directly ukuhlala ecommunity.
Buffalo City Metro serves nearly 1 million residents, according to the latest census. It includes Kukombo City, Ndanzane, Bisho, Ekonwe, and dozens of surrounding townships and villages. It's a large area with equally large service delivery demands.
In the council, I sit in two portfolio committees. One is of strategic development, it's a portfolio committee. One is economic development and agencies portfolio committee. So I'm having an oversight visit that we're going to have at the Fresh Produce Market and Duncan Village Hydroponics Tunnel, and also we'll be going to the Tanzania Art Center.
Despite being a PR councillor, Rumbu often receives calls about water shortages, burst pipes, and other service delivery complaints in wards.
Siripota nje anawethu asiyazi nomsebenzi wakhe, asazi bayithina uyaripota kanje kuba ufuna ukuripota emntwini njengala yamanzi siya akho manzi amanzi ungalithini hayi mamzo sawufonela ubana awuyazi aba uyiward councillor noba intwela cha ungumntu wombutho noba ngumbutho wantoni.
Oversight is one of the biggest responsibilities of a PR councillor. It means checking whether municipal projects are on track and entities are delivering on their mandate.
So we'll go inside now and meet with the rest of the committee, and we'll have a briefing session where we'll talk about what we do, and we'll hear from there what is going to be the way forward.
While ward councillors focus on the needs of the people who live in their wards, a PR councillor works across an entire municipality, helping to monitor its work. For Newzroom Africa on Channel 405, I'm Sipha Kema in the Buffalo City Metro.
KwaZulu-Natal Police